wanna be just another woman in love. A kid of his school, a fire of control, just another fool. You touch me and I'm weak, I'm a feather in the wind, and I can't wait to feel you touching me again. With you I'm just another woman, just another woman in love. Just another woman in love. A kill is cool, a fire of control. Just another. Yan, tapos na. Antayin natin tong pinaka-ball ko rito. Wheel of the Wind. Gusto ko to. Sige, good night. Good night. Thank you. Thank you sa pagtambay mo. Maraming salamat. Thank you, guwapa. And salamat sa 5. Ito yung gusto kong kanta. Wheel of the Wind. Ewan ko bakit gusto to. Naantok na rin ako. Hindi na lang. 9 minutes. I spent half my life looking for the reason things must change, and half my life trying to make them stay the same. Love would fade like summer into fall. All that I could see was a mystery. It made no sense at all. The wheel of the wind, you feel it, and then it will pass you, blowing steady. It comes and it goes, and God only knows. You must keep your sails on ready. Begins, get all that you can. You must befriend the wheel of the wind. Ayan, sa mga pumapasok dyan, nagiging 5 and 3. May mga pumapasok hindi nagtatamsak. So many hours thinking about the way things might have been. Ay, naging 6. Tamsak naman, guys. So many. Sa tamsak lang ninyo. Thank you. Pagpasok. Thank you. And so it goes for lonely-hearted fools. They let their days slip away until they give in to the wheel of the wind. You feel it, and then it will pass you, blowing steady. It comes and it goes, and God only knows. You must keep your sails on ready, so when it begins, get all that you can. You must befriend the wheel of the wind. Nakisama ang internet ko ngayon, guys. Thank you naman. Ayan, malapit na. 6 minutes to go. So when it begins, get all that you can. You must befriend the wheel of the wind. Ay, thank you sa 5. Sino mga pumapasok dun, guys? Music lover din ako. Music lover. Sabay ka naman. Patayin natin.